Billahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear viewers and my dear students, today we will start BA Part 2, the novel The Old Man and the Sea. This novel is written by Ernest Hemingway, and this novel is about a fisherman named Santiago. Santiago is by profession a fisherman. He lives in an area of fishermen, in Havana, at the east coast of Havana. This novel has also got a Nobel Prize for his creator, I mean the writer Ernest Hemingway. So let's start and see how this novel story is a story of 84 days. Actually, the situation of this novel starts like this, that the old man Santiago is a fisherman. He goes on fishing with all the other fishermen at early of the morning on their boats. So what happens that for so many days Santiago was not unable to catch any fish. So he was a little bit disappointed that what is going on with him, but the other fishermen were also catching different fishes from the sea. So Santiago one day after 84 days came back on the coast and sits in a hotel and was taking tea with a boy Manolin, who was his student. So Manolin was his student. So while taking tea in a restaurant or a hotel, the other fishermen were also sitting there. This hotel was situated at the bank of the river. So the situation is that the other fishermen call Santiago Selao. Selao mean unlucky person. So this was the label for Santiago by the other fishermen, that he is unlucky, and Selao, that he is unable to catch any fish. So it was definitely and genuinely it was a genuine matter that he was not able to catch any fish. The boy tries to satisfy the old man that you need not to worry about it. By the grace of God, you will, inshallah, one day will come when you will catch up so many fishes. So the old man goes back to his hut, sleeps, and early of the morning he wakes up the boy of his student Manolin and tells him that he is going to very deep in the sea, and he will catch the biggest fish of the sea. The biggest fish of the sea is marlin. He makes a promise with the boy that he will, on 85th day, today is 85th day, he tells the boy that he will go deep into the oceans. No fisherman has ever gone so deep and far away in the sea. So the boy shifts all the gears of the old man, all the goods, all the necessary things of the old man in the boat, and the old man starts his journey on 85th day towards the deep sea. So the Santiago looks that the other fishermen and also on their boats they are also going for their fishing. So the old man, after traveling almost 1 hour, feels that now the other fishermen are disappear. He cannot see them because they are very far away. So in this way, the line of the coast was also disappear for Santiago. He was in the deep sea now. So Santiago drops his line, Doria. Santiago drops his lines in the sea, and he's still waiting in his boat for the fish. So the whole day passes in the same situation, in the same state, but unfortunately Santiago was unable to catch any fish. So he has only one bottle of water for drinking, and he drinks the water and spends the whole day over there on the sea. So this whole day was unlucky for Santiago. 85th day passed in this situation, and on 6th day, Santiago again starts his searching for the fish. The night he spent, that was very horrible for him. He has nothing to eat, and he was just waiting, lines in his hands, and he was waiting that maybe any fish will eat it and he will catch that fish. So the situation next day at 86th day, the whole day again passes. Hunger has faint him. Santiago's hunger has made him faint and senseless. So he is feeling that he has no energy to face the situation of the sea. Some birds sit on the boat of Santiago. He talks with them to avoid his loneliness. He thinks about his past memories, so many things he remembers in his mind to pass the time. So in this way, 86th day, in the evening time, he feels that there was a little shaking and vibration in one line. So he holds the line and try to pull the line, but unfortunately the line was so heavy he was not able to pull it. So in this situation, Santiago feels, because he was an expert fisherman, he feels that there is something below the water, and he tries to hold that line in his hand constantly, constantly, constantly. So at one time he feels that his boat is pulled by something heavy below the water that was caught in his bait. So he keeps on waiting, but his boat was pulling towards the north side, and now he is final in his thinking that there is something in the in the deep sea that has been caught with his bait. So uh, Santiago is hungry. Santiago has, one thing is very important here to tell you, that Santiago is a man of determination. Santiago is a man of courage. Santiago is a man of tolerance. Santiago is a man of power. Santiago is a man of strong willpower. So this is the situation of evening of 86th day, that the boat is being pulled by something heavy. Maybe that may be a marlin fish. So the situation is here ends, and the next part of the story, the remaining part of the story, you will see in the next lecture. And watch next lecture, and listen the remaining story of the this novel, The Old Man and the Sea. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.